Hi friends, welcome to bestbankingjobs.com. Now we are going to see about the opening available with Bank of Baroda Bank. The registration ends on 29/4/2021. We are going to see about the top 3 openings, that is Senior Relationship Manager, E-Wealth Relationship Manager and Territory Head. These top 3 openings we are going to see. The other openings also available, which is with very minimal numbers, and for the senior position. These 3 positions, even the experienced holders with other banks can easily prefer and get the job. For senior relationship manager, minimum age is 24, maximum age is 35, where education qualification is graduation, post graduation is preferred, and your work experiences is 3 years as a relationship manager. Investment management with any government banks or the private sector banks, and even the broking firms, the AMCs and asset manager AMCs can apply for this job. The total number of vacancies is 407, and for the E-Wealth Relationship Manager, the total number of vacancies is 50. E-Wealth Manager and the Senior Relationship Manager, the job profile would be mostly same. The difference is the E-Wealth Managers is going to operate from Mumbai. They won't meet the customers directly. They may be through calls, maybe through video calls. They will be serving the customers, and the Senior Relationship Managers will be posted at the branch, and they will be servicing the customers personally. E-Wealth Relationship Managers will be servicing the customers through call. For E-Wealth Managers, the 2 years of relationship managers experience is must, and graduation or post graduation is preferred. And for the territory head, it is territory head is the leading the team of the relationship managers. The territory head, the minimum age is 27, maximum is 40, a degree in any discipline, post graduation is preferred. 6 years as a relationship managers and 2 years as a team lead is preferable. These are the 3 openings. Now let's see other things. See, the senior relationship managers, you have to apply location wise. You cannot apply general. These are the locations, the vacancies available: Ahmedabad, Allahabad, Anand, Barley, Bangalore, Bhopal, Chandigarh, Chennai. Chennai we have 15 openings. Coimbatore we have 3 openings. New Delhi, Hyderabad, Indore. Either we have most openings: Visakhapatnam, Varanasi. These, while applying for the senior relationship manager post, you have to select the location to which you are applying for. And for E-Wealth managers, as I said, the postings will be only at Mumbai. So the vacancy, total vacancy is 50. And for the territory head, it will be also territory head also. It is a location wise position. We have to apply location wise. At Tamil Nadu we have Bangalore 3, Chennai we have 2. Okay, either you have to apply location wise. It is the quota details. It is the age relaxation details for SC and ST. Yeah, let's see the remuneration part. Here the remuneration will be paid as per the industry standards. So there is a negotiation is available. It is not the fixed standard salary. So based on the salary you earn currently, you will be posted, and you may expect a good salary from the Bank of Baroda Bank. The next point is nature of employment. Here you will be under contract engagement for 5 years, and it will be periodically it will be reviewed. So you can get employed with Bank of Baroda under the contract period of 5 years. Mostly it will be renewed. So it's a new thing the bank is trying out. Usually they will be coming under CTC, they will be a government employees, but here the important thing is you will be coming under a contract for 5 years. Another thing is your selection procedure, there will be no written exam or anything like that. Selection will be based on group discussion and personal interview. Group discussion will be if there is more number of candidates are applying for if they are receiving only minimal applications, directly based on the interview you will be posted up. So it will be easy and good thing for the experienced holders to grab the job opportunities. See here, it is again about how to apply. You have to visit the Bank of Baroda careers website and see the career object and the current opportunities. You have to have a proper email ID. You have to have the proper contact number, because all the communications will be sent to your email ID and contact number only. There will not be any poster or anything like that. Any updations will be, you have to visit the career page for any updations. The list, shortlisted staff employee list, everything will be posted on the website. You have to watch it. Payment, you have to pay 600 rupees for the registration and 100 rupees for the registration of, which is non-refundable for SC ST, and for OBC and general candidates it should be 600 rupees. And other details have been here, right? Let's see the roles and responsibilities. Let's see. It is, in short, what is the senior relationship manager role is. They will be responsible for the revenue of liabilities and the wealth management product. That is, you have to enhance that your client worth will be 30 lakhs of total relationship value of your client will be minimum 30 lakhs. Those customers will be mapped to you. You have to open new accounts, and also you have to enhance the relationship of the existing accounts. That is the profile of the senior relationship manager in short. You have to understand the customer needs, and you have to sell products according to the customers. So you have to generate revenue. That is the most important. As a senior relationship manager, you have to generate revenue based on third party products, and based on loans you have to generate revenue. For e-wealth managers as well, it is same as like senior relationship manager. As I already said, senior relationship manager will be directly visiting the customer places, whereas e-wealth managers will be operating from Mumbai. Territory head, the territory head will be the bosses of the relationship managers. You will be handling the RMs, performance measurement of RMs, coaching and mentoring the RMs. That will be your basic job. Managing sales lead, being workforce across products from identification, contact of closers, carefully tracking and actioning leads across the sales cycle. Yes, in short, you will be bosses of the RMs. You will be generating the business, and you will be keeping track of the RMs. That's it, friends. This is these three opportunities you have with Bank of Baroda. I will provide the link on the description of how to apply. The experienced holders can please make use of it. One thing you have to notice, the date ends on 29/4, and it is a contract job for 5 years, but it's a job opportunity with a government bank. Don't miss it. Thank you. Please share the video with your friends, and for any job details please visit bestbankingjobs.com.